Montgomery, white button. This is Encino Towers. Oh boy. Please be original. Whoa. It's an O&W with
swanky cab.
No way, look at this COB.
What the oh my goodness. That's beautiful.
Whoa.
This is beautiful.
Yeah, it's a Montgomery installed by Oliver and Williams.
It even has the plate on the front.
Yeah. I think O&W used to be a distributor. This is cool. Ooh, blue.
Ooh, armor button.
What the hell? Okay, this thing is fucking awesome. Alright, 3.
Armor. Interesting.
Yeah. Look at this cab.
3 buttons to lit too.
I love the floor indicator on here.
Is this faux or?
Yeah. Wow. Montgomery white buttons. Yeah, like Oliver and Williams elevators. This deserves a second ride.
Now, is that the door hold switch or the run stop?
I don't know. Don't want to test it though. Ooh, this one has a dry-powered motor. This is car number 2 at Encino Towers in Encino, California. Wow. Look at this. Armor. Alright, let's listen to this motor. What is it?
Check it out.
Oh, square armor. What the fuck? That's rare. Yeah. Oliver and Williams elevators, Los Angeles, California. Love these cabs. And these buttons. Very cool.